Hello students, today we are going to start the next topic, that is paper industry. In India, paper industry is present from the ancient time. तो ये जो पेपर इंडस्ट्री है कब से प्रेजेंट है? एंशियंट टाइम से. And in this industry, pulp is made from waste of agriculture and trees, and paper is then made. And 70% of paper in India is made from sugarcane remain. How much? 70% of paper is made from sugarcane remain. And the paper industry was established in Sri Rampur. The paper industry is established की गई Sri Rampur. After this, the paper industry was also established in Hooghly, and it was also established in Madras. And these were established between the year 1810 and 1867. The paper industry was established in Sri Rampur. It was also established in Hooghly, and it was also established in Madras between the year 1810 and 1867. But these efforts will remain unsuccessful. These paper industries, they were unsuccessful, and the first successful industry in India was established in Lucknow. So first successful industry कहाँ पे establish की गई? Lucknow. In which year it was established? It was established in the year 1879. So first successful industry was established in Lucknow, and it was established in the year 1879. And its name was Indian Paper Mill. उसका नाम क्या था? Indian Paper Mill. So it is the first successful paper industry which was established in Lucknow, and it was established in the year 1879, and its name was Indian Paper Mill. So it was the first successful paper industry. And there was another paper industry, its name was Sitgarh, and it was established in the year 1881. And at the time of independence, there were only 17 paper mills in India. So how many paper mills were in India? At the time of independence, there were only 17 paper mills in India at the time of independence. And at present, there are 800 small and large paper mills. So how many paper mills are at present? 800 small and large scale paper mills are present in India. And out of total production of paper, 65% of the paper is utilized by the newspaper. So more than 50% means 65% of the paper is used in the production of the newspaper. It is used in for printing newspaper. How much? 65% कितना newspaper को print करने में use हो जाता है. And rest of paper, how much is left? That 35. How much is there? 35% of the paper is used for other purposes. So सबसे ज़्यादा पेपर कहाँ पे यूज होता है? For printing newspaper. And there is a paper mill for papers, that is producing the paper for newspaper printing. And that mill is at Nipa Nagar. Sorry, that is at Nipa Nagar, and it is in Madhya Pradesh. So Nipa Nagar is the place where there is a mill for paper, for newspaper, and there is another place that is Hosangabad. Hosangabad, here there is production of paper for printing currency. Printing currency. तो ये दो पेपर, दो जगह है, नेपानगर एमपी में, होशंगाबाद, ये दोनों तुम्हें मैप में लोकेट करना आना चाहिए. तुम्हें इंडिया के मैप में ये जगह पता होनी चाहिए वेयर आर दिस प्लेसेस. सो इन इंडियन मैप you have to locate these two places. There is the production of the paper, and in India there is huge demand of the paper. That's why most of the paper is consumed in India. Whatever paper is left, that is, and it is also important for, sorry, there is lot of demand of the papers in India. So most of the paper is consumed in India, and there is also need to import the paper. So it is also importing the papers from other countries. Now there is development of the industries. Now next topic is industrial pollution. What is next topic? Industrial pollution. Everything they are having merits and demerits. Industries, they play an important role in the economic development of country, in the development of the country, for the development of the human being. On the other hand, there are also ill effects, side effects of the industries, and that is industrial pollution. So what is there ड्यू टू इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन. अभी इंडस्ट्रियल पॉल्यूशन कैसे होता है? इंडस्ट्रियल ड्यू टू द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज, ड्यू टू इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन देयर इज अर्बनाइजेशन. इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन के कारण क्या होता है? अर्बनाइजेशन, यानी शहरों का विकास होता है. एंड एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ विच देयर इज इंक्रीज इन एयर pollution, soil pollution, and water pollution. Industrialization से there is urbanization, and due to increase in the urbanization there is air pollution, soil pollution, and water pollution. And urban people, how much? 30% of the urban people, how much? 30% of the urban people, they are suffering from the breathing diseases. How much? 30% of the people, they are suffering from breathing diseases. The people who are living in the urban area, who are living in developed cities where industries are there, they are suffering from the breathing disease. Why? Because of the air pollution. Air pollution में क्या होता है? Poisonous substance are there, which carbon, lead, sulfur, they react with the nitrogen and oxygen. किसके साथ react करते हैं? Nitrogen and oxygen, and they lead to the various diseases like cancer, blood disorders, and skin disorders. These are also the result of the industrial pollution. अभी इंडस्ट्रीज से जो वेस्ट वाटर होता है, that is also discharged in the rivers and lakes, as a result of which there is a water pollution. So water pollution is there, and this water pollution, it affects the aquatic ecosystem. And out of every 8 bird, हर 8वें बर्ड पे, 8 बर्ड में से एक बर्ड खत्म होने के कगार पे हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्रियल वार्मिंग. एंड ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इज ऑल्सो a result of industrial pollution. So it is compulsory for us to adopt the sustainable development to ensure better future for the mankind. So everything they are having merits and demerits, they are having good and ill effects. In the same way, industrialization is also having good and bad effect. Due to industrialization, there is urbanization, and due to urbanization, there are different types of pollution: air pollution, soil pollution, and water pollution. Air pollution due to air pollution, 30% of the people who are living in urban area, they are suffering from breathing diseases. And how? Because carbon, lead, sulfur, when this react with nitrogen and oxygen, they also causes different diseases like cancer, blood disorder, and skin disorder. And the wastewater from the industries are also discharged in the rivers and lakes. And the wastewater from the industries is also discharged in the lakes, rivers, and as a result of it, there is water pollution and it affects the aquatic ecosystem. Then soil pollution is there. How soil pollution is there? Due to industrialization, there is also increase in the means of transportation, and there is also acid rain, and whatever the dirty and poisonous elements are there, they are also mixed in the soil, and as a result of which there is soil pollution, and this soil pollution it destroyed the fertility. So these are the different ill effects of industrial pollution.